Next up, very good work. Like I said earlier, this is like my favorite people carnival. Like the people with the coolest vibe, people who should be working a lot more in Hollywood and aren't quite yet. They're on the verge of blowing up. They're fucking amazing. I love everyone in the show tonight. This is such a cool show and such a good lineup. I'm glad you're supporting it. Next up is my boy ISAAC.TEE.
Shake it, 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 bounce, 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 bounce. Baby, you the man, 'cause you put it on me. And every morning I roll over, feel you touching on me. I got another man, but he ain't like you. And I can't be your baby mama, though I'd like to. Call me real late at night when my man is sleeping. Take a red eye to the west side, up and down my spine, and let you feel what you've been missing. I'm so bonafide. Call me, ooh, when you need me, baby. You don't have to worry. Call me, we can do something. Call me, ooh, when you need me, baby. You don't have to worry. Call me, we can do something. Baby, take my hand when you're feeling lonely. It don't matter where we're at, let me put it on you. I got another man, but he ain't like you. And I can't be your living lover, though I'd like to. Call me at the break of dawn, I'll be sure to meet you with no panties on. We can slip and slide, we can take a ride. Lots of love and reminiscing, I'm so